Here are my top 4 exercises to build a nice developed back. So working on your lats and your rhomboids, and I will show you a rear delt exercise. So my first favorite exercise is some type of pull-up. So I'm going to keep tension on the lats. I'm going to pull straight up, straight down, nice and controlled. So I love pull-ups because it's a good overall upper body exercise as well as building muscle in the back. So that's exercise number 1. So my next exercise is a seated back row to add thickness and density to the upper back through the rhomboids. So I like to keep my chest upright, shoulders down. Gonna pull straight back, squeeze those shoulder blades and control that weight on the way out. So pull back, squeeze, pinching those shoulder blades. Exhale as you pull back. Nice and control, squeeze. You can use a little bit of momentum if you need to, squeeze. And just control, squeeze. And that's exercise number 2. So exercise number 3 are lat pull downs. And this is to help with the lats, but it hits the rhomboids and the back in general as well. So love this grip because it allows you to put tension on the lats as well as pulling straight down and squeezing those rhomboids. So shoulders down and back, tension on the back, pull straight down, squeeze, pinch the shoulder blades, stretch up, nice and controlled. So you inhale as you pull down, exhale on the way out, keeping tension on the lats, squeeze, nice and controlled. Pull down, exhale, squeeze, pinching those shoulder blades, down, squeeze. That's exercise number 3 in my top 4 for back movements. My 4th exercise, which isn't an exercise for the back, it's actually for your rear deltoids or the rear of your shoulder, but that helps give the overall look for an impressive physique from the back. Our rear fly. So on a rear fly machine or pec deck, if you have this, you want to keep the shoulders down and back. Here, gonna pull straight back through delts, nice and controlled, doing your best to keep the traps out of it. Squeeze, nice and controlled. Squeeze, pinch those shoulder blades, squeeze the rear delt, squeeze. So that's exercise number 4 to building a nice developed back.